Bay Windows Laurel Installation, Maryland, offers a wide range of options for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. With custom Bay Windows Laurel, you can transform your home with unique designs tailored to your specific needs. Our Bay Window Contractors Laurel are experts in providing top-notch services, ensuring that your Bay Window Installation Laurel is seamless and efficient. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Laurel are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a stylish appearance. Our Bay Window Experts Laurel can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best Bay Window Materials Laurel for optimal insulation and energy savings. Vinyl Bay Windows Laurel and wooden Bay Windows Laurel are available in various Bay Window Styles Laurel to suit any home design. For those in need of Bay Window Replacement Laurel, our team offers comprehensive services to ensure your new windows are installed with precision. We provide Bay Window Quotes Laurel to help you understand the Bay Window Cost Laurel and make informed decisions. Our Bay Window Consultation Laurel services are designed to address all your questions and concerns, ensuring a smooth transition to your new windows. Bay Windows Laurel is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Our Bay Window Maintenance Laurel services include regular inspections and repairs to keep your windows in top condition. Whether you need Bay Window Glass Laurel replacement or Bay Window Frame Laurel adjustments, our team is equipped to handle all your repair needs. Affordable Bay Windows Laurel are within reach with our competitive pricing and flexible financing options. We believe that everyone should have access to high-quality Bay Window Upgrades Laurel without breaking the bank. Our Bay Window Showroom Laurel showcases the latest Bay Window Trends Laurel, allowing you to explore various Bay Window options Laurel and find the perfect fit for your home. Bay Window Design Laurel is an art that combines aesthetics with functionality. Our team specializes in creating stunning Bay Window Styles Laurel that enhance the beauty of your home while providing practical benefits. From traditional to modern designs, we offer a wide range of Bay Window sizes Laurel to accommodate any space. Bay Windows Laurel is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our energy-efficient Bay Windows Laurel are designed to minimize heat loss and improve overall energy efficiency. By choosing the right Bay Window Materials Laurel, you can enjoy a cozy home year-round while reducing your energy bills. Bay Window Trends Laurel are constantly evolving, and our team stays up to date with the latest innovations in the industry. Whether you're interested in the latest Bay Window Glass Laurel technology or unique Bay Window Frame Laurel designs, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Our Bay Window Contractors Laurel are committed to delivering exceptional results that exceed your expectations. Bay Window Consultation Laurel is the first step in achieving your dream windows. Our experts provide personalized guidance to help you navigate the various Bay Window options Laurel available. From selecting the right Bay Window Styles Laurel to understanding the Bay Window Cost Laurel, we are here to assist you every step of the way.